Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Australia is a popular choice for travelers looking for new employment opportunities. Finding work that would sponsor your visa, however, might be difficult, especially if you lack any particular skills or certifications. Fortunately, there are still plenty of entry-level positions that will sponsor your visa and allow you to live and work in Australia. The top 5 unskilled positions in Australia that will sponsor your visa in 2023 are discussed in this video. Ensure you watch the video till the end whether you're a fresh graduate searching for a new adventure or simply looking for a change. 1. Fruit picking and farm work. For people looking for unskilled occupations with visa sponsorship in Australia, harvesting fruit and working on farms have long been popular choices. It is a fantastic opportunity to take advantage of the natural beauty of regional Australia while making money and building up your resume. Fruit picking and agricultural labor sometimes have seasonal demands and can be physically demanding, but they also provide a special chance to work outdoors and be in touch with nature. 2. Hospitality and tourism. An important sector of the Australian economy that attracts many foreign employees looking for visa sponsorship is the hospitality and tourism sector. In this sector, there are many job opportunities, from customer service professions to more specialized ones like chefs and hotel managers. There are many customer service positions available that don't call for formal education, including waiters, bartenders, and hotel receptionists. 3. Cleaning and housekeeping. For individuals looking for unskilled occupations with visa sponsorship, cleaning and housekeeping positions are in high demand in Australia. These positions are frequently located in hotels, resorts, and private homes. Dusting, vacuuming, mopping, doing laundry, and other common cleaning chores might be included in a cleaner's or housekeeper's responsibilities. Due to the ongoing need for these services, many firms are eager to sponsor the visas of qualified applicants. Even while these professions may not demand particular skills, it is still important to pay attention to detail and be able to work independently. Although the salary for these positions might vary based on the business and the locality, it is often more than the minimum wage. Many cleaners and housekeepers work part-time or irregular hours, which is one of the benefits of working in this sector. 4. Construction. In Australia, the construction sector is expanding and the need for labor is rising. General laborers, cleaners, and site assistants are just a few of the many unskilled positions that are available in this industry. Although there are no official requirements for these professions, they do include hard labor and working outside in all sorts of weather, so physical fitness is a must. As they struggle to find enough workers to match the demand for building projects, employers in the construction sector are frequently prepared to sponsor visa holders. This indicates that there are openings for anyone seeking to go to Australia and work in this field. 5. Warehouse worker. In Australia, there is always a strong need for warehouse employees because they are a crucial component of the supply chain. They are in charge of carrying out a variety of duties, including loading and unloading cargo, inspecting newly obtained items, and keeping track of inventories. Because they may have to lift and handle big objects, warehouse employees need to be physically fit. The good news is that many Australian businesses are ready to sponsor foreign immigrants for roles as warehouse workers. For individuals trying to get sponsorship for a visa to Australia, this is a fantastic option. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.